Okay, so today I'm going to go over how to remove your bumper valance, which is this piece right here that goes all the way across, and it goes over your bumper and underneath your headlights. So when I went to go do this, I didn't see any real resources on how you do this, and wanted to make sure I got all the bolts undone before I started yanking on it. So let me start showing you where the bolts are. So 3 of them are behind the grill. So there's one in the center. It's going to be right in here. It's right where your hood latch piece meets up right there. Then in each corner, there's one right there. I was able to get these out without pulling the grill out, but it's probably a lot easier if you do pull the grill out. And there's one in there. So then after that, there's 2 that actually come from behind here. And there's a little lip right here on the bumper, like the inner fender right here. And so what I did is I took that and I cut it back a little bit more on the other side. I'll show you that. Just to get you a little more room to play with so you can get straight on. So you can see I cut that back a little bit, and then you actually just shove your socket with the extension back here. And right there you have the bolt that comes from the fender right here into the threaded piece that's on this. So once you get that out, and then there's a little wind dam piece right here that will have 2 trim pieces, little trim screws that go up into the fender on each side. So you'll pop those out with a screwdriver, just kind of pry them down. And then this piece will come right off. And that's how you get that piece off on a OBS Ford. This is the 96 model right here.